Hey yo guys, in this video I will show you how to use a laptop cooler. So you may use a cooler if you are gaming or doing any high pressure work on your laptop, and it may get quite hot, which is not good for the laptop processor and and it's not good for you either. So if you want to use a laptop cooler, which looks like this, I think almost all of the coolers are the same. They have two fans, or they can have as many fans as you want. This one has two, that's for sure. And the installation of a laptop cooler is very complicated. You place the cooler on the table and you place the laptop on the cooler, and pretty much that's it. You have to connect it to your laptop. Most of them are connected by a USB cable, and when you connect it, the fans start spinning and your laptop gets cooled, and pretty much that's it. If you want to do some more specific stuff, some of the coolers have like little legs, so you can adjust the position like this. So maybe this way is more comfortable. I don't know. Sometimes I use it like this. And if you are worried that your laptop is going to just slide down on the cooler because of the angle, there are little legs here that you can place like this, and then it's more stable. But sometimes they are like bothering me here when I place my hands, and then you can just like place them just a little bit lower so they keep the laptop but they don't touch your hand. Perfect. And that's it, how you install your laptop cooler. As you can see, it's spinning, beautiful. Yeah, but if you have very big problems with your laptop and it's very hot, I wouldn't recommend a cooler. I would recommend you to bring your laptop to a service, because it's probably dirty and it has a lot of dust, and the laptop cooler won't help it. The laptop cooler is very little help. So yeah, I hope this helps. Please subscribe if you find this video helpful, and see you in the next video. Go do some productive stuff. Read a book or pay the bills. Goodbye.